This is the first exercise. You are going to do something like this every week. And then there's a very specific instructions how you should do and then how you should submit your work. If you violate any of the instructions here, it's a subject to penalty deduction. So try to avoid any unnecessary penalty by that. So basically for this first exercise, you are going to solve those two questions. So you can refer to the PowerPoint slides or you can refer to the textbook. So I have created a lecture, short lecture video for question 2, so you can refer to that as well. So here the instruction is as follows. First, write by hand your answers clearly on the paper. In the future assignments, you may not be able to type everything, so you need to draw diagrams and so on. So I want you to prepare for the future assignment. I know that you can easily type those two questions, but do not type. But by hand, write your answers on the paper. And also it says that for each question, write answers on a separate paper. So you have two questions, Q1 and Q2. So do not put both of the answers on the same paper, but separate it. I know the answers are short enough to put both of them on the same paper, but don't do that. That's the requirements. And then second one is scan your answer papers to create one single PDF file. So if you have a flatbed scanner connected to the computer, you can do easily with that. But if you don't have a scanner, what you can do is use your smartphone. There is a free smartphone app with which you can do that. So one of them I use is Adobe Scan. Is that so? Using those words, search for on your Android store or iPhone store, then download the free from that. And then you can take multiple pictures and then convert them into one single PDF file. So here the requirements is very clear that even if you have two papers, convert them into one single PDF file with the two pages. So also very important, you need to submit the PDF file. Once you have the PDF file, then rename it as follows. For this first assignment, use ex1. Next assignment, ex2 and the like. And then use your first name and last name initial. My name is Hong Song, so in my case, it would be ex1 Hong is my first name, S is my last name initial, PDF. So use this file naming convention for the rest of the assignments. Then submit this PDF file via the corresponding Dropbox of D12. On D12, I've created a Dropbox for each assignment, and then just submit it. So when you're in submitting through Dropbox, first you upload your PDF file onto Dropbox of your account, and then you must submit the submit button to submit it. So it's a very important, don't forget to press the submit button. So that's the procedure, and then you will do exactly the same process for the rest of the assignments. The first assignment, the solution is very simple. So the more focused one is for you to practice the submission instructions.